Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making coconut chocolate macaroons. For this easy recipe, we just need four basic ingredients. Coconut flakes, there are sweetened ones, and it's a 14-ounce package. We need 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and this can is 14 ounces, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So all we need to do is combine all ingredients in a bowl. And before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me combine all ingredients in a bowl. So I'm going to just use the whole package of the sweetened coconut flakes. And I'll add a can of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm going to start mixing it together, and then I'll add the chocolate chips at the end. And now I'm going to add the chocolate chips. So this is 1 cup. I'm going to add most of them. I'll reserve some for just putting on top of the cookies once I shape them. So here I just reserved a little bit for later. And let's mix those chocolate chips in. Perfect. This cookie batter looks so good. And I bet you're gonna eat it straight out of the bowl. There's no eggs in there, no flour, totally safe to eat. But we're going to make it even better by turning it into cookies, the macaroons. So now let's shape it into cookie shape and put on a baking sheet. So I lined it with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So now I finished shaping the cookies and I'm going to add the remaining chocolate chips just for decoration on top. Because you actually want to see the chocolate chips instead of having them hidden inside. So now the coconut chocolate chip macaroons are ready to be baked. So I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let's bake them until they're ready. The coconut macaroons have been baking for 15 minutes and they're ready. Let's take a look. Perfect. So they're baked, and the way you know that they're ready is when they're slightly brown at the edges. So even though they feel soft, they will harden as they cool. So 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's take them to the counter and let them cool completely for about 30 minutes, and then we'll try them. Now the coconut chocolate macaroons have cooled down and I'm ready to try them. So now they no longer fall apart. You can just pick one up. So good. And it's still gooey, but it stays together. And now let's try it. I love coconut. So let me just show you the amazing gooey coconut texture. Mmm. They taste as good as they look. So if you love coconut, there's really nothing better than these coconut chocolate macaroons. This combination is amazing. Coconut flakes, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and chocolate chips. This is so good and so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!